Hello friends, welcome to my another video. In this kitchen and home review, we tested Amazon kitchen gadgets, so you don't have to. We always like to add innovation to our videos. So if you like the video, be sure to subscribe to the channel and comment, and share. These smart gadgets make cooking simple, fast, and stress-free for everyone. Perfect for beginners, busy parents, and home chefs who love practical solutions. From chopping to storing, these tools make every step easier. Trending now on Amazon, TikTok, and Temu, and they actually work. Each product is affordable, durable, and designed for everyday cooking needs. Say goodbye to complicated gadgets and hello to effortless. So let's start the video. Air fryer. Innovative TurboBlaze technology delivers a powerful 3,600 RPM fan speed and temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, achieving beyond crispy, juicy perfection in every main dish. Advanced airflow and precise temperature control deliver evenly cooked side dishes with perfectly balanced texture in every bite. Innovative TurboBlaze technology helps speed up cooking to save time and deliver perfectly crispy family meals, even on busy weekdays. The 6-quart square basket offers a wider, deeper design for family meals in one go while saving kitchen counter and storage space. Enjoy the same crispy textures as traditional deep frying with up to 95% less oil star. Enjoy all your favorite fried foods without the guilt. Baking dish. 6-piece set. Includes 1 9x13 x 3-inch glass baking dish with plastic lid. 1 7x11 x 2.75-inch glass baking dish with plastic lid, and 1 8x8 x 2.75-inch glass baking dish with plastic lid. These deep baking dishes are the essentials to have in any kitchen, as they are versatile in use from prepping to baking and storing. Go deeper. Add up to 50% deeper than the Pyrex Basics dishes you know and love. There's more room to get creative. Deeper size stops spillovers, and more importantly, holds more of the good stuff for your parties and gatherings. Snug fit lids. Perfectly fitting and BPA-free plastic lids are freezer, microwave, and top rack dishwasher safe. No need to hold back when warming your food or storing your leftovers for tomorrow. Scimitar breaking knife. Premium performance. Perfectly engineered carving butcher knife tapered to a razor-sharp edge for effortless breaking down, trimming, cutting, and skinning of meat. Razor-sharp Granton blade edge. Hand-sharpened edge at 14 to 16 degrees per side for maximum sharpness edge retention, ensuring precision slicing every time. Full tang ergonomic design. Luxury packawood handle that is triple riveted for sure grip and absolute stability that ensures comfort and maneuverability. Laminated and polished for a sanitary build, perfect for busy kitchens. Premium German steel, precisely forged of high-carbon German steel engineered to perfection at 56 plus Rockwell hardness for long-lasting performance, rust and stain resistant. Lifetime warranty. We're proud to say we believe in our blades. Your Cutlux slicing knife comes with lifetime warranty against material or workmanship defects. Purchase without risk. Cleaning rubber gloves. High-quality material. These latex gloves are made of soft rubber, which is both stain-free and odor-free. You also get the fresh, light smell of rubber from them, better than other materials. Best of all, soft latex is gentle on the skin, so you will not get allergic reactions. Protect your hand. These gloves will make it possible for you that is allergic to hand wash the dishes that are not dishwasher safe. Practical design. The design of granules in the palm and fingers increases friction to ensure a better grip and control. The 13.7 inches glove length and cuffs tighten, designed to prevent water from flowing into the glove. Rational component. One order contains 2 pairs of gloves. Distinguish between different work use is a good helper for your life. Best cleaning gloves. Ideal for kitchen cleaning, dishwashing, car wash, indoor and outdoor cleaning, pet care use, etc. Coffee maker. Fresh, authentic coffee taste. Featuring a 4-level filtration system, complete with a metal mesh filter, spring disc, metal crossplate, and final mesh screen. It effectively filters out coffee grounds while extracting the aromatic oils and subtle flavors. This preserves the natural oils and flavors of the coffee, allowing you to enjoy a rich, pure taste free from sediment and grit. Stainless steel stylish design. Crafted from durable, heat-resistant borosilicate glass and stainless steel, this coffee press combines strength and elegance. The sturdy construction and robust metal handle ensure lasting durability, while its transparent body allows you to watch your coffee brew, adding a touch of sophistication to your morning routine and complementing any kitchen decor. Electric sandwich maker. Hot sandwiches in minutes. Save your time in the morning and make healthy and perfectly toasted gourmet pressed sandwiches. You can also quickly cook other meals like omelets and French toast. Simple, efficient, made of heat-resistant stainless steel with a fast heating element that provides even toasting. The power indicator light will let you know when the unit is on, while the preheat light lets you know when it's ready to cook. Hassle-free cleaning. The non-stick coating ensures effortless food release without bruising the bread and easier cleanup. Simply wipe with a clean, damp cloth once they've cooled. Maximum safety. The Cool Touch locking handle allows heat to dissipate, preventing heating up and ensuring safe operation. Has anti-skid feet to prevent accidents. Ice snow cone maker. Make snow cones like a pro. The high-quality snow shaving system allows you to make mountains of snow cones snow quickly, easily, and safely. Push-down handle. Add ice into the ice chute and use the safety-ensured push handle to begin shaving ice into fluffy, flavor-absorbing snow. 64 ounces. Capacity. Fit up to 64 ounces, or about 8 normal-sized snow cones, in the snow cone chamber for so many delightful treats. Snow cones, ice scoop, and side handles. After shaving ice, use the convenient ice scoop to fill one or all of the 4 reusable snow cone cups. Then place them neatly on the side shelves for easy serving. Add your flavor. Add any of your favorite snow cone syrup flavors. Use Nostalgia snow cone syrups for deliciously cool results. Easy cleaning, easy storing. Disassemble to parts for easy and thorough cleaning, then store neatly using the hidden cord storage on the unit. Kitchen shears. Premium stainless steel blades. Built to resist rust and maintain sharpness, these stainless steel blades easily cut through everyday kitchen items like vegetables, herbs, meat, and packaging with clean, precise cuts. Enhanced cutting performance. Featuring micro-serrated edges, the blades offer a superior grip on food and materials, minimizing slips for effortless, smooth cutting every time. Extra thick blades add strength and durability, ideal for frequent use. Soft, comfort grip handle. Designed for extended use, the handle provides a comfortable, secure grip with a soft, non-slip coating, reducing hand fatigue and ensuring control while cutting. Includes protective sheath. Comes with a convenient, sturdy plastic sheath to protect the blades when not in use, ensuring safety and blade longevity. Dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Kitchen utensil holder. Thoughtfully sized, set of 2. Our utensil holder set includes 2 carefully proportioned holders for your kitchen accessories. The larger holder, measuring H7.3 x D6, is designed to comfortably store around 15 spatulas or utensils. The smaller holder, at H5.4 x D3.8, is suited for the organized arrangement of up to 10 sets of flatware. Say hello to a well-organized cooking space. Multifunctional utensil holder. These kitchen utensil holders do more than just store cooking utensils. They also double as elegant vases, offering a stylish home for hair tools like combs, and can seamlessly house coffee pods and stirrers on your bar countertop. Their versatility knows no bounds. Chic modern home decor. Our kitchen utensil organizer features a crisp, modern finish highlighted by vertical ribbed and fluted stripes. This stylish design seamlessly complements any kitchen decor, improving both your culinary efficiency and the overall ambience of your home.